PAK-DA!
The U.S. State Department has approved the foreign military sale of an integrated air defense system worth $1.86 billion to India, which includes 5 Sentinel radar systems, 118 AMRAAM C-7 and C-8 missiles, 3 AMRAAM guidance sections, 4 AMRAAM control sections, and 134 Stinger missiles. The deal also includes 32 M4A1 rifles, 40,320 M855 5.56mm cartridges, handheld remote terminals, electrical, optical and infrared sensor systems. The implementation of this proposed sale will require 60 U.S. contractors to travel to India for a period of 6 weeks, and the activities will include fielding training and technical logistics support. Hindustan Aeronautics has signed a memorandum of understanding with Russia's Rosoboronexport to export spares and accessories of engines of the Su-30 and MiG-29 fighter jets to friendly countries. The foreign operators of Russian fighter jets were previously sourcing spares from unauthorized sources, and this new agreement puts Hindustan Aeronautics into the global supply chain of Russian fighter jets. India and Russia are aiming to sign the $1.6 billion deal for IGLA system with local production before the upcoming visit of Prime Minister Modi to Russia. The Indian Army has an immediate requirement for 800 launchers and over 5,000 missiles. Top officials have said that the delay in the AK-203 deal has been the cost factor, but experts have said that Make in India AK rifles will work out to be cheaper in the long run with high volumes. Top officials have said that 3 indigenously developed ACE radar systems are going through phase-by-phase demonstration of all its operational modes, and the radar systems will clear all required node demonstration by end of 2020, and will be cleared for production in 2021, and will be available to be integrated with the first medium-weight fighter jet aircraft in 2022. Bharat Electronics have signed a contract with the Indian Defence Ministry at the Defence Expo 2020 to establish 38 more radar stations and 5 command and control centres along the coastline under Phase 2 of the Coastal Surveillance Programme. 46 radar stations and 16 command and control centres have already been established under Phase 1. India's Cabinet Committee on Security is set to give final approval to the $2.6 billion deal for the procurement of 24 MH-60 naval helicopters from the U.S. defense firm Lockheed Martin, and this comes ahead of the upcoming visit by U.S. President Donald Trump to India this month. DRDO officials have said that the anti-satellite system is now fully ready for limited production, but they also pointed out that any decision on further production will have to come from the Indian government. The first engine prototype of Russia's upcoming PAK-DA long-range strategic aircraft could be sent for its initial tests by the end of 2020. The Russian Defense Ministry has also approved the contract to start production of nuclear-capable PAK-DA aircraft, and the initial deliveries have been targeted by 2027.
Omar dropped it.